Early bird is a familiar phrase that encapsulates the notion of someone who begins their activities or work earlier than expected or required. It symbolizes the proactive approach of starting tasks ahead of schedule, often with the aim of maximizing productivity, efficiency, and opportunity. The expression draws its inspiration from the early morning habits of birds, particularly those known for their punctuality in starting their day at the break of dawn. By associating human behavior with the natural world, the term early bird conveys a sense of industriousness, readiness, and determination. In practical terms, being an early bird means rising early and commencing activities before others. This could apply to various aspects of life, including work, education, exercise, or personal pursuits. For example, an early bird employee might arrive at the office before their colleagues to get a head start on tasks or projects. Similarly, an early bird student might wake up early to study or prepare for exams before the day officially begins. The concept of the early bird is often associated with positive attributes such as discipline, dedication, and ambition. Individuals who adopt an early bird mentality are perceived as proactive and motivated, taking initiative to make the most of their time and opportunities. Their willingness to start early reflects a commitment to excellence and a desire to achieve their goals efficiently and effectively. Moreover, being an early bird can confer numerous benefits beyond simply getting a head start on the day. For example, studies have shown that early risers tend to be more productive, focused, and creative during the morning hours, when cognitive function is typically at its peak. Additionally, starting the day early can provide a sense of accomplishment and momentum that carries through to the rest of the day, setting a positive tone for overall well-being and success. Furthermore, the early bird mentality is often associated with success in various fields, including business, sports, and personal development. Many successful entrepreneurs, CEOs, and leaders attribute their achievements, in part, to their early morning routines and habits. By seizing the quiet and uninterrupted hours of the morning, early birds gain a competitive edge and lay the foundation for long-term success. However, it's important to acknowledge that the early bird approach may not be suitable for everyone. While some individuals thrive on early mornings and find them conducive to productivity and creativity, others may perform better during different times of the day. It's essential for individuals to recognize their own rhythms and preferences and tailor their routines accordingly. In conclusion, the concept of the early bird embodies the proactive and industrious mindset of starting tasks ahead of schedule to maximize productivity, efficiency, and opportunity. Whether in work, education, or personal pursuits, early birds demonstrate discipline, dedication, and ambition in their pursuit of success. While not everyone may resonate with the early bird mentality, its principles of proactive action and time management remain valuable for individuals seeking to achieve their goals and fulfill their potential.